Follow these simple steps to achieve delicious juicy chicken breast every time. Begin by taking 2 chicken breasts with the skin on. You can use skinless of course, but I prefer it with that crispy skin, and then generously season them all over with salt. Next, place a frying pan over a high heat and drizzle in 20 ml of olive oil. Once the oil's hot, lay the chicken breasts skin side down and leave them undisturbed for 2 minutes until the skin is golden and crisp. Turn the chicken breast over and place into the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes depending on the thickness of your chicken, or until it reaches 70 to 72 degrees Celsius in the centre. Take your chicken from the oven and place it on a plate to rest. At this point I like to season it with black pepper. Rest the chicken for a minimum of 5 minutes before slicing into it and revealing that beautiful juicy chicken breast. Now I hope you can all enjoy perfectly cooked chicken breast every time. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.